Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I did a video on this item yesterday, and somebody asked a very great question that you really need to think about when you draw something like this and you draw in here line. Their question was, when I made these a thicker line, how did I know that they were going to match up evenly? Well, I didn't have to know that because I'm drawing from a hairline and these lines are touching. So no matter what size I make them, so this is 16 points, I'm going to make this just 8 points. I'm going to go ahead and select them both, and I'm going to go to object and convert them to an outline, or the outline to an object. Then I'm going to left click, right click. And if you look, magically, they match because you're starting in the center and you're growing them both the same amount. It doesn't matter if you made it whatever point, whatever inch, whatever size. I mean, let me do that again. I'm just going to make a copy of it and then move it over. Those two lines are touching. I could make them, let's make them 36 points, which is too thick. But then when I go to object and convert the outline to an object, and I left click, right click, they match up because I started in the center. You know, before, let me just kind of show you that. Before I created an outline, if we look at this under view and wireframe, it's still a hairline. I told it to be thicker. So when I go back to view and enhance, that's just a thicker line. It's really, if we move them around, you can see that it's just a hairline. But because we made them thicker and they grew equally, I mean, you couldn't make one of them 36 points and the other one 24 points because they're not going to match up. But once you turn it into an outline to an object and you left click, right click, and then you weld them, you're going to get a perfect item right there. Anyway, I hope that answers his question, and thank you for watching.